A dumbbell. That's interesting. Must float, I guess. There ain't no way that floats. No, it's like it's a 10-pound dumbbell. That's funny. Wonder how the hell that got out here. Somebody working out on the beach. Well, here we are. Beer of the day. What is this? It's Angry Orchard. Crisp apple. Hard cider. Well, it's not bad. It's kind of light, though. It's not like a Hertfordshire Scrumpy, I'm telling you that. But it's alright. Good on a crisp day like this. Day gets warmed up to about 15 degrees. Typically blowing about 40. I'm kind of hiding behind a stump here. Yeah. Wonderful. Bar. I had to wear eye protection. These ice crystals are killer, man. I made it about a block and I'm like, you know what? I gotta get back. Bring some eye protection because my eyeballs are freezing out and them ice crystals are stinging. If you got crap beer, you're gonna be miserable. And yeah, a little miserable's good for you. Well, I have to be careful with this stupid camera. It's got, yeah, flashing red already. I got, what, 10 minutes out of it at the most. But hey, what are we wearing today? I just got crappy hikers with cotton socks. Hey, we got the 1951 trouser, M1951. This is a Mustang survival coat. This isn't really a winter coat. And, you know, the Choco designs, the OR gorilla, an OR cap. You know, oh, and I got cotton pajama pants on under these. I'm not anti-cotton. I like cotton. It has its purposes. But yeah, it sucks if it gets wet. If it gets wet, get it off of you. But yeah, I got a wool sweater, you know. Matching, of course, got to match your pants so you look, you know, cool. And underneath that, I also got a wool t-shirt, merino wool t-shirt. Damn, imagine the water fountain don't work. These are cool. It's got cool little watering bowl for your doggy. Curiosity with the dead whale. We made a statue. You know, because couldn't make a statue of a live whale. We used a dead one.